Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you some benefits of oats. Oats are loaded with important vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Only half a cup of oats contains a lot of manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, copper, iron, zinc, folate, vitamin B1 and vitamin B5. Antioxidants that are present in oats are beneficial for heart disease, and the dietary fiber helps lower the bad cholesterol without affecting the good cholesterol. Oats are rich source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which will help regulate bowel movement, which means it will help you with your constipation. Since oats help regulate blood sugar and reduce risk of diabetes, the high fiber and complex carbohydrates slow down the conversion of this whole food into a simple sugar. And beta-glucan present in oats delays fall of the blood sugar before meals and slows down the spike of blood sugar after meals. If you suffer from high blood pressure, then you should include oats every day in your diet. A daily dose of oats will help combat this issue and it will reduce the risk of hypertension. You can enjoy this healthy, delightful meal either in breakfast or lunch or dinner. I've got lots of oats recipes on my channel, so make sure you do check them out. It is also a rich source of magnesium, which is a key to enzyme function and energy production. In simple words, it's helps produce energy in our body and also helps our enzymes to work better. Also helps prevent heart attacks and strokes by relaxing the blood vessels and aiding. It means helping the heart muscles to work properly and also by regulating blood pressure. High levels of magnesium in body nourishes our body from inside out. It also helps body's proper use of glucose and insulin resistance. So guys, these are some of the benefits that oats helps within our body. Apart from this, it helps with weight loss. It keeps you fuller for longer. You won't feel hungry after a meal. They're very light when you're digesting it. They kind of slows down your digestion so you don't feel hungry very quickly, and it also subsides your cravings. I have a full oats day meal plan on my channel. I will leave the link in the description box for you guys. And I hope you got some good information out of this video. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out any of our future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.